be cool, just move with the groove. No funk in here, the beat way too smooth. Yeah. Let's just do what we came to do, just vibe with it, vibe with it, vibe with it. Be cool, just move with the groove. No funk in here, the beat way too smooth. Let's just do what we came to do, just vibe with it, vibe with it. Unleash the verbal blessing, cold and thick with herbal lessons. So kick back, chill, relax, and learn a lesson. No 9 million.
Natural, actual, facts, natural shit. Gucci still ratchet shit. Not a free passage, before I register black.
What's up, you guys? This is Ian Eastwood coming at you live from Fair Play 2018. I just want to say that I'm really honored to be here. This is probably one of the best lineups out of any summer camp that I've maybe ever been to in my whole life of traveling and teaching. I'm honestly just so excited to be just one puzzle piece of all the amazing talent that's going to be giving out classes and judging battles and just exchanging with the students. It's really honestly a magical place here at Fair Play every single year, and there's something new and fresh about this place every single year. And man, I can't even believe that I'm lucky enough to be here every time. And the students have such great energy, and we just had a completely packed out class, and it's my first class here this year, and it went really well, and I'm super excited for the next two to come, and I'm ready to level up myself as a dancer this week. So stay locked, man. Peace. Fair Play Dance Camp.
So welcome to Fair Play Dance Camp TV 2018. My name is Capella, his name is Francois, and his name is Malcolm. Yo, we just finished the class, and I want to say one thing, and after I give it to them. It was beyond everything. When I say beyond, I said energy, spirit, vibe, music, everything in one place was just, I'm sorry, I don't have words. Dziękuję, dziękuję.
Hi. So, thank you guys, thank you Fair Play for the invitation and everything. Thank you so much. Thank you Capella, thank you Francois. We put fire in every classes. We're glad, we're happy. So thank you so much.
Thank you. That's it. It was crazy, so thank you.
Peace out, everybody.
Peace.
We wish you all a great end of the camp. We're still here, but it's our last class. Fair Play is the camp.
Aye.
Peace out. Aye.
See you.
Yo guys, what's up? It's your boy Duc Anh Tran, Ducky. Yeah, I'm here at the Fair Play 2018. I just taught my first class. I taught the culture routine, and yeah, it was amazing to see the people dance like this. Yeah, and it's just secret, but when I'm choreographing, a lot of times I'm just imagining that I'm doing this choreography now, but I'm going to teach at the Fair Play, and I just imagine the people, so it really motivates me, and it was really like a dream for me again to teach here. So thank you guys so much, thank you for having me, and see you tomorrow. Bye.